Hello, I'm with the non-governmental organization Kids in Need of Defense, KIND, and this video is part of a series of videos about the CAM program, designed for parents or legal guardians in the United States who are starting applications for their children. CAM, or the Central American Minors Program, provides qualifying parents and legal guardians in the United States who are in certain immigration categories an opportunity to apply for their qualifying children to reunify with them in the United States. Through CAM, parents and legal guardians can apply for qualifying children and certain family members in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras to travel to the United States with refugee status. Those who are not granted refugee status may be able to apply for parole. These videos will help you learn more about the CAM process.
In our video in this series, What is CAM and Who is Eligible?, we talked about the CAM eligibility criteria for you, the qualifying parent or legal guardian, and for your qualifying child. Your qualifying child or children can of course apply to the CAM program on their own, but the program also allows you to apply for certain other family members along with your child. This allows the children the opportunity to apply to travel with their other parent, caregiver, or others in their household. In this video, we'll talk about the different types of family members you can also apply for under the CAM program, and the types of information and documents you will need for them. Your resettlement agency or KIND caseworker will review and help you identify the supporting documents you will need for each family member. Please also review KIND's CAM application checklist, which also includes the documents and information that you and your qualifying child or children will need for the application, as well as our video in this series, the CAM application AOR. Speak to your resettlement agency or KIND caseworker about the family members you would like to include in your CAM application for confirmation that they are each eligible to apply. As a qualified parent or legal guardian, you can apply for the following individuals: your qualifying minor child, who is your biological, step, or legally adopted child and is unmarried, under the age of 21, and a national of and currently located in El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. If your qualifying child has the following relatives, they may be eligible to be included in the CAM application: your qualifying child's unmarried children under 21, your qualifying child's other parent and your current legal spouse, your spouse's unmarried children under 21 years old, your qualifying child's biological parent who is not married to you, the legal spouse of your qualifying child's biological parent, unmarried children under 21 years old of the qualifying child's biological parent, your qualifying child's primary caregiver over 18 years old who is related to you or your child biologically or by marriage, the legal spouse of your qualifying child's primary caregiver, unmarried children under 21 years old of the qualifying child's primary caregiver, siblings of your qualifying child that are 21 years old or older and or married, the legal spouse of your qualifying child's sibling, and unmarried children under 21 years old of the qualifying child's sibling. Please note, all of the above mentioned relatives must live with your qualifying child except the siblings of your qualifying child. Remember, this is just a summary of the family members who may be eligible to apply for CAM with your child. The purpose of the program is to reunite children with their parents who are in the United States, and different requirements apply to certain types of family members. You will have a chance to go through each of your family members when you prepare your CAM application with your KIND caseworker or your resettlement agency.
There is no cost to submit a CAM application, and you do not need to hire or pay anyone to help you apply for your child to travel to the U.S. under the CAM program. If someone asks you for money to help with your CAM application, do not pay them or give them your information. Instead, please contact the CAM hotline.